In front of me is Motorola RAZR 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and hit Screen Lock. Now pick one of those locked methods, pattern, PIN or password. Create one. To continue, choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit Confirm. Now answer this question to manage your lock screen notifications. And after picking a perfect option, hit Done. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!